Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Pancakeswap with Metamask on mobile. So first, go to Metamask app. From Ethereum main network, change it to Binance. But for me, isn't not available. The other option, go to Metamask page and select the three lines at the left corner. Click Settings and select Networks. Now click on Add Network and enter Binance, but isn't available again. After that, click on Custom Networks. Enter the given information here in box. After that, click on Add. Now, to use our Pancakeswap, go to Browser at the bottom. Then, enter pancakeswap.finance. Now, click on Connect Wallet. After that, click on Trade Now. Then, select Metamask. From Cake, change it to token you want. But for me, I will change it to Alpaca. Then, enter amount and connect wallet. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!